Ladies and gentlemen, you find a lot of bullshit out there. You find a lot of people telling you that this business model is the best, or that business model is the best, when the truth of the matter is that it's very unique to your circumstance. And what I'm doing at my career stage is not what you should be doing at your career stage. And what I'm doing at my career stage might be laughable to someone who's worth multiple billions of dollars. They're like, oh, this is just too small of an opportunity. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a bunch of different business models sequentially that you should follow in order depending on where you are in your career. Because if you try to skip any steps and go right to the end of this journey, I guarantee that you're going to make things very, very difficult for yourself. So as mentioned, I want you to understand that before you is really a roadmap. It's a quest. It's a plotted course for you to follow. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to take you on my own journey of entrepreneurship and show you the best online business models for total beginners all the way to 9-figure entrepreneurs. And along the way, you're going to learn the importance of 3 things. The first is equity, and this is really what divides social classes, makes fortunes, and changes lives. Equity means ownership in a business or an asset, and the ability to make money from this. By the way, you guys need to understand that when someone is worth X amount, these people don't have $2 billion laying in their bank account. It's just they own a company or a percentage in a company that equates to that amount.